check out how to do some feeding cornrows. You're on our last line, just the same as the simple lines just now, that rather simple feeding cornrows, just that this one you have to keep on feeding in braids. The cornrows have been made using braids. I will keep adding one after the other. The main aspect here is how to feed in. The people who prefer feeding in front and other at the back, how you hold onto that braid that you have fed on the cornrow is what matters, and how the outcome will be. But with time, you'll be able to achieve very neat, long-lasting cornrows, feeding cornrows. So yeah, I hope this video helps somebody. Yeah, this is a feeding that you do it at the back. Yeah, see, I'm being fed at the back, and it's as simple as that. It's a tutorial that you can simply follow, and you'll be able to achieve the outcome. Yeah, at that point you want to assist holding so that it lays well on the head, and also it's you've already taken care of the entire hair, so now you just want to complete the tail, or rather the tail of that cornrow. It's a beautiful process, something you admire. Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Lighting, feathers there, look at those cornrows, and the outcome finally. You can see the side part, and then the front, you'll see that is the front. Beautiful.